Okay, now we are moving to our next question, which is question number 3. Just read that. Insert commas suitably and write the names according to Indian numeration system. Means you have to insert comma. आपको in numerals में commas insert करने. You have to insert commas according to Indian numeration system and write the names. And आपको numerals दिए हैं, आपको उनका number name write down करना है. So just take your first question of third question. Okay, so first question of your third question is 730050. Okay, that is your first question of third question. He is saying that you have to insert commas and write the number name according to Indian numeration system. According to Indian numeration system. So according to Indian numeration system, we just have to count ones, tens and hundred. 3 of them come in ones period, right? Next 100 के बाद we have 1000, 10,000, both comes in 1000 period, right? And the remaining lakh comes in lakh period. Easy. So first you have to use commas after 3 digit, which is comes in ones place, ones, tens, 100. So 0, 5, 0, comma. Next you have to use commas after 1000 period, 1000 and 10,000. So 1 and 2 digit, comma. Then remaining we have 7, so 7. Now this is the commas we use separately. हमने commas easily use कर लिया according to Indian numeration system. Now second उसने क्या पूछा, you have to write the names. आपको इस numerals का names भी write करना है according to Indian numeration system. Now 7 is on lakh place. 7 is on lakh place. तो 7 lakh. What we have? 7 lakh. 3 and 0 both are is on 1000 place. So 3 and 0, 30. 30,000. Next 0 on 100 place there is 0, so you need to write 100. Next on tens place there is 5, 10 place there is 5 and ones place there is 0. So 5 and 0, 50. 1050. So number name of this 7,30,050, and you can see also 7,30,050. Easy to do. Now the remaining question of this question you have to do it yourself. Now we look at to the next question, which is for insert commas suitably. So you have to use commas and write the names, and इसमें भी आपको names write down करना है according to international system of numeration. Now in third question we are doing it according to Indian numeration system, and in question 4 we have to do it according to international system of numeration. इसमें हमने Indian के according किया था. Now we are doing it by international. So take the first question of your book. First is first question we have 7, 8, 9, 2, 1, 0, 2, 3. This is the first question of your fourth question. Now we solve that. First you have to use the comma separately. So ones, tens, 100, which is come on ones period. Next 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. 3 of them come in 1000 place. Next million, 10 million. Both of them come in million period. Easy. Ones, tens, 100 is on ones place, ones period. 1000, 10,000, 100,000 come in thousand period. Million and 10 million come in million period. Easy. Now easily we using the commas. So ones, tens, 100. After 3-digit comma, so 3, 2, 0, comma. Next, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. After 3-digit again comma, so 1, 2, 9, comma. Now million and 10 million after 2-digit, because there is 3-digit यहाँ पर नहीं है, so we use commas after 2-digit. तो 8 and 7, तो ये हमारे commas यूज हो गए अकॉर्डिंग टू इंटरनेशनल में वी आर यूजिंग कॉमा आफ्टर 3-digit, एंड इंडियन में वी यूजिंग कॉमास फर्स्टली 3-digit, देन 2-digit and then 2-digit. So we use the commas easily. Now we have to write the number name of this numerals. So first we have to look that 7 and 8. 7 and 8 both come in million place. दोनों मिलियन पीरियड में आ रहे हैं. तो 7 and 8 become 78. तो 78 million. 78 million. Next, 9, 2 and 1. 3 of them come in 1000 period. तीनों ही 1000 period में आ रहे हैं. So first we have to read the 3 them. 921. 921,000. 921. So we have to write 921. 921,000. Now what we have? 0. On 100 place there is 0, so no need to write. Now on 100 place there is 0. 100 के प्लेस पे 0 है, तो मीन्स नथिंग फॉर 100. 100 के लिए कुछ भी नहीं है, तो हम 100 की जगह पे कुछ भी नहीं रखेंगे. नेक्स्ट वी हैव 2 and 3, so 23. तो नाउ वी हैव 23. So the number name is 78,921,023. Easy to do. So the remaining question you also have to do it yourself, or question 4.